In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. So this is very simple, just follow me. You have to first be on your admin user of your computer, which I'm not, so I'm not going to be able to show you exactly how to do it, but I'll guide you through it throughout the way, okay? So make sure you enter your admin user on your computer and then go down here to search and type in Device Manager. And then you want to open this up. And as you can see, I will get an error saying you are logged in as a standard user. You can view device settings in Device Manager, but you must be logged in as an administrator to make changes, okay? So I will not be able to make changes, but I'll show you how to do it. So you want to press OK, or simply if you're on the admin version of your computer, you're not going to have to do anything. All you have to do in here is to locate Bluetooth, which is over here, as you can see, and you want to simply as you can see, when you extend it, there's a bunch of these Bluetooth devices, but what you want to do is simply right click on it, and there will be an option, which is for me not, because I'm not the admin of this computer. It will say something along the lines update driver. What you want to do is click that, and then it will ask you if you want to find that driver on your computer, or if you want Windows to search for it automatically. Simply select search automatically for updated driver software, and then simply follow the rest of the steps, and you'll be able to successfully update your Bluetooth driver in Windows 11. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.